What's up traders, welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session in this live streaming, and we'll be analyzing all the hottest currency pairs that we will be trading, as well as probably you will be trading, and you can send your requests to analyze your favorite pairs. I will try to do my best possible analysis for you. Now at the same time, as you know that there will be a high impact news release today during this live stream, and most of the time, as you have seen, that we find a trading opportunity during the news release. So make sure you stick till the end of this session to see what kind of trading opportunity is coming on the way, so that you know that what we are trading, and probably you will be trading too if you are interested. Keep in mind that this live stream is fully educational purpose, so everything is shown is only for educational purpose. Now at this point, we see that quite a few pairs are showing significant trading opportunity, including the USD pairs, gold, and many other pairs. So we'll do all of them one by one. So before I begin, make sure as usual smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin with some of the pairs that giving us trading opportunity. Let's say gold. First of all, what's happening with the gold? Now as you have seen that gold now just crossed the 20 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and this is also the daily previous days high has been crossed on gold. And I think that gold, after testing this previous support as a resistance, we could see a drop on gold. I don't think that it will continue to rise like that, because already we have seen a strong move down on the gold. This is the daily time frame, and we saw that there is a big move happen to the downside. Now at this point, what I think that gold will rise little bit up probably, and then will continue to drop, as there is a strong level of support here on the daily time frame. This is a previous support, and also there is a 20 period moving average on the daily time frame as well on gold. So on the 4-hour, this what we see that gold just crossed the intraday 4-hour time frame 20 period moving average, and I think that probably from this zone we could see a drop on gold. There has been a significant retracement to the upside. This is an overall bearish market, and I will see gold, hopefully gold will drop even during this live session, and I'll keep you updated as soon as I'll see that a reversal pattern in this lower time frame. We could probably see a trading opportunity in gold. I will keep you everything updated. I will come back to these pairs over and over again, gold and all other pairs that giving us trading opportunity, especially the USD pairs. We might find a good trading opportunity just after the news release, because after the news release we'll see an opportunity we might find in euro dollar, GBP USD, dollar yen, whatever we see, will take the opportunity. Now in the meantime, what you guys and girls are thinking and saying, let me see. Dennis Neon, good evening Dennis. Dennis says Euro CHF. So look at it, he is the first one who sent the message. So let's see Euro CHF, and I will go back to you guys and girls what you are thinking and asking for. So first let's see Euro CHF, what it is doing. Now Euro CHF, starting with the bigger picture on the monthly time frame, we saw that on Euro CHF the price from this bottom, from this very bottom of this price on the monthly, there was a monthly shooting star on Euro CHF, and then we saw that after just breaking of this low, we saw a move to the upside happen. The price went above, and I think that Euro CHF the way it has created the price action, it could go up further. The way it is doing, looks like that Euro CHF will rise further to the upside. Going to the weekly time frame, on the weekly, this is what exactly I told in my weekly forex forecast as well. After this weekly green candle, there is a long wick at the top, and we have seen that after a significant retracement, Euro CHF is pushing high, and I think that we might see a bounce from here, or we might see a break, because back to back 2 days we saw that Euro CHF bounce from here, pardon me, 2 weeks. So we could at least to see that Euro CHF again going there, probably bouncing from there. Going to the daily, so there is still a gap up to fill. It might create a lower high, or it might bounce from the same level. Going to the 4 hour, so what we are seeing that Euro CHF previous 4 hour has created this bullish candle. Now so far we see that narrow doji has been created. If this one closes like that as a narrow doji, we might see that from here a spike to the upside on Euro CHF. If this current 4 hour candle closes like that, high probability that Euro CHF, even without breaking this low, could rise up, and I even could find a trading opportunity. I even could open a buy position on Euro CHF. So this is one with Euro CHF. Probably we will find a buy opportunity soon. Let's see what happened based on what kind of price action it is creating, but looks like that its bullish CHF is getting a bit weaker. If there is a news release coming up this week, and maybe because of this CHF is getting weaker, and hopefully we'll see that a change in trend after the news release. So during this news release, we might see that Euro CHF even breaking this high. Looks like that it's still bullish. So this one is with Euro CHF. Michele Gaulet, good morning Michele, thank you. Wisdom to High Coach Alexandra, good afternoon. Euro dollar made double bottom, is it time to buy? We'll look at it. Euro dollar first, let me see what's happening with euro. What other pairs, will look at all of them one by one. So Jonathan, good afternoon sir. Jonathan, Rizban, hello coach. Rizban, thank you. Bumaya, hi sir. Bumaya, Zabir, Shaba, hi sir, thank you. Armand, hello morning. Can you look at Euro GBP? I would look at it. Let's see what happened. Hello coach and everyone. Gbpusd, hello coach. Helen, hello Forex Wizard. Thank you Helen. Bada, how are you doing today? I'm good. I saw many of you joined and interacting in the chat area. That's really good to see. Hello sir. GBP JPY made a double bottom pattern. What should I do? We'll look at all of them. Let's see what happened. Good day coach Alzaf. Yes, Alzaf. Mary, good evening sir. It's time. It's been a while since I watched your analysis every night until Saturday. I'm so glad how improve. I'm very good Mary. This is the goal of this channel. This is the goal of all this analysis, to help trader to learn, and really good to see that you are finding value in it. I'm sure that many of you finding value and improving in your trading, and that's really good to hear. Thank you for mentioning that. FX Wizard, what's your take on Euro JPY? We'll look at it. Chris, can you please analyze Euro dollar, GBP USD and GBP JPY? So let's see. GBP USD, GBP JPY, they are very important pairs, volatile. Let's first start with GBP USD. Now GBP USD, what we have seen that the price after this very strong doji from this monthly support, we might see now a bit of bounce to the upside. The reason is this level was yesterday I have drawn during this live session. Looks like that the price is just bouncing from this important level. Now why it is important, let me draw. The reason is this is the monthly chart overall picture. You see that British pound US dollar, this is the monthly time frame, and we have seen that if you see that there is a long week monthly candle here, this is a very long week candle, and in this long week candle what we see that the price just, you see, around 50% from this long week, exactly from here we have seen a strong bounce to the upside on British pound US dollar. After this monthly doji, we saw a strong breakdown. Now we see a bounce, but we could potentially be a reversal from here. Not impossible, everything happens in trading. Now let's say on the weekly, this is the weekly candle, and even you may not see directly going like that. So what we might see at the end of the week, even possible that we could see that a long week doji has been created, or maybe somewhere here, and then the next one we could see that coming down again and then creating a reversal pattern. So let's see now on the daily what we might see. Now on the daily, as soon as the bounce happened, we saw that there is a strong move to the upside. Now let's see after today's news release what might happen. If there has been a double bottom, yeah, on the Gbpusd with a doji, but I don't think that without testing this one properly the price will go up. You see that this is the 4-hour time frame, and for an extended period of time this 20 period moving average has not been tested. Okay, so once it will be testing, we will see another bounce to the downside on Gbpusd. So what is bearish is likely to be bearish for a very long time, until we see a test of this, this double bottom. So British pound US dollar is still bearish because the trend has not changed yet. I will be waiting for today's news release. I think that from this zone on British pound US dollar we could see another drop. Okay, and then from this zone, this is the zone where there is a 20 period moving average. So I think that, you see, there is a bearish engulfer. During the news release, what we might see that the price is going up, maybe breaking this high of this bullish engulfer, and then we could see a drop on the lower time frame. So this is, if this is the case, then I will be selling Gbpusd again from this zone if I see significant price action confirmation. On the other hand, we'll just see what happened. We'll wait for the news to be released, and this will happen during this live session, and we'll definitely see what happened during this live session, and I'll keep you updated over the period of this long live session. So in the meantime, Anthony, hello, is it from Anthony? Aussie. Thank you, Anthony. I'm also in Sydney living, so sure, good to hear that Aussie is here. Very good. Everyone from all around the world watching this live streaming. It's really good to see that everyone from all around the world participating this live streaming. Really good to put that effort for everyone. Wizard, when do you cut a trade before it hit your stop loss if the trade is invalidated? Chedrick asked a question, when do you cut a trade before hit your stop loss if the trade is invalidated? Very good question. Today we did one like that. So what we did, what I do, that if I see that the way I plan, my trading plan is invalidated. Let me give you an example. Let's say, let me show you this one here. Okay, so Eurusdjpy. Okay, we have cut one trade early before hitting the stop loss. Let me show you that trade, clear example. So Eurusdjpy, the way I entered the trade is here. There is a bullish engulfer. Okay, so over the long term it's a bullish market. Now once this bullish engulfer is formed, I have opened a buy order, okay, from this zone. Now once I saw that later that there is on the daily time frame there is a full body green candle. Now the price, this is the overall bullish market, right? Now it could be either bullish even, but it could come down here. Okay, so but my stop loss is very tight on the 4-hour time frame. My stop loss is here. So once I realize that there is a 20 period moving average has been tested and it could start to be bearish, even could create a double bottom here and come back, and then it could be bullish, I cut immediately even less than half of my loss, and that's how I do. If I see that the trade is going wrong, even I don't wait for a stop loss to be hit, I just cut it straight away with a minimum loss. That's what I conduct my trading. I always sensitive about taking the losses. I try to take as low as possible, but I try to take bigger profit. As you have seen in my past trading, we have secured a good profit on AUD CAD. Okay, from here sell trade, we have secured good profit on gold last day, and we have secured a good profit on quite a few trades, GBP, JPY, CAD, JPY. So quite a few winning trades. Sometimes you need to cut the trade if you see that it's not going on your way. And that's how you need to conduct your trading. Now let's come back to gold. Let's see what might happen with the gold. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. We see that the trade already reached the previous day's high, and what I think that gold might do at this point, we might find a selling opportunity on gold. First, let's see on the even 15 minutes time frame. If I see that there is a price action confirmation for going short, I'll talk to you, because the price already broke this resistance here on the 15 minutes time frame, that we see that this is the daily high has been broken. This is the daily high. Okay, so this level is 1831 is the previous day's high has been broken, and I think that the price there is a weekless candle, but I think there will be a drop on gold. But until we see a clear confirmation, we'll just see what happened and then we'll approach it. Let's see on the hourly time frame, which is closing after 9 minutes, and I think that after this hourly close, let's see, we might see a little bit of a drop to test this doji, that even could give us a good opportunity. So let's see on the progression of this session, and there will be a news release as well. During this news release, we will see what happened, but in the meantime, let's keep analyzing other pairs. So we have seen British pound, US dollar. What happened? I have seen quite a few requests. Monica asked for Aussie dollar. Yeah, we'll look at it. So all US dollar, USD pairs could behave in the same way. Bhaskaran, Euro, USD, please you look at it. Mainik Jain, hello sir. And Techie Wiki, hi bro. Techie Wiki, love from India. Yeah, love from Sydney. Techie Wiki, it's worth to start trading with $10 in 5 minutes time frame. With $10 in 5 minutes time frame. Techie Wiki, I will not say it's not worth, but what I will say, yeah, $10 account, I really suggest you to start with this kind of account. $10, $20, if you have, it depends on where you are. Keep a smaller account and learn from that account, okay? Because trading is a habit that you need to grow, and to grow that habit, you need to really understand how the market works, and to do that, you need a smaller account. If it is blown out, that's completely fine, because $10, if you lose it, that's okay, but you learn something. You learn that how account blows, how if the trade goes wrong, what to do. So you can train your brain with a smaller account. I always suggest to use a smaller account when you are trading. That's very important, that you always use a smaller account in your trading. So let's see what's happening. Premi, hello, your channel has profited me a lot last 3 weeks. Thanks so much. Premio, thank you. This is the intention of this channel, to help traders to make money to make profit and you found value in it. Thank you for mentioning it. It's really helps to create more of that kind of things so that people get benefited. And thank you for mentioning it. It's really good to hear. Hello sir, God power, getting to you sir, really appreciate what you are doing. I have used your strategy to grow my 30 USD to 500. Awesome, God power. That's the intention of this strategy. After series of blowing up my account, God bless you sir. Right now I am on profit. Absolutely awesome, God power. This is the intention of this, as I told you, of this channel, of this strategies. You grow 30 USD to 500 USD. That should be a lesson for everyone. That's really good to hear. That's awesome, and that is the intention of these strategies. As I told you, everything is created for you guys and girls to help you. And thank you for mentioning in this live session. Really appreciate it. Let's see what George is saying. Hi sir, how are you? Thank you, Joy. And hello sir, and thank you, Abdullah. Good day, coach. Cat JPY and Gbpusd, please. Thank you. Oh, look at it. Khalid, gold is going up. Yep, gold is going up. Let's see what happened, but I think that we might see little bit of retracement. Let's see what happened. We'll look at it. As long as we'll see proper price action confirmation, and then only we'll be trading, unless we'll just watching. This is what you need to do most of the time. You just need to look at the chart and chart and chart until you find your setup. So Trevor, hi Usdjpy, can you please look at USD CAD? Yeah, we'll look at it. Kakulan, thank you Kakulan for joining. Rizwan, Usdjpy, can you take a long trade from now? We'll look at it. So let's look at dollar yen, how it is doing. Dollar yen, where is this? Usdjpy. Okay, so Usdjpy, I will not take a long trade just now because there will be a news release, but the price is on a bottom of this channel. But it is not unusual to see that suddenly USD became weaker and dollar yen has broken this level of support. But let's see what happened, because dollar yen already created a reversal pattern here, came back down. But keep in mind that this is an extremely bullish market. Selling is not a good idea all the time. At this point, buying also not a good idea. You need to always wait more than you trade. This is how you need to trade always. So dollar yen looks like that. Let me see the daily. We saw that there was a green move to the upside. The next one immediately came back down. So now from here we could see a reversal, not impossible, or we could see again a rise up. Okay, so to do that we need to see what's happening after the news release. Okay, so far still bullish, but it is not impossible to see that suddenly a dollar became very weaker and started to break down. So we will be waiting for the news release. Okay, and then we will be trading dollar yen. So let's see, dollar yen again still bullish, but we have to wait to see how it is reacting to the news. Okay guys, Ravi Singh Khatori sir, thank you. Ravi Singh, I'm now $60 to 2300. Thank you sir. Awesome Ravi Singh. Arkit, from $60 to 2300. That is awesome. Okay, that is awesome, but always slow down. Okay, if you turn $60 to 2300, then I will say that just take a break, enjoy the time and then come back, because this is what happened when you make a big gain. Suddenly things get our mind get a bit scared and we give back that money. So keep that money with you. Okay, so that keep that money with you, and then multiple, make it up and up and up. Okay, don't take a big risk, just keep compounding that money. Okay, holding the money is more important, so keep it up. Thank you for that. Ravi Singh, it's possible. Yep. So let's see. GBP JPY. Okay, what's happening now? GBP JPY, over the long term, it's a bullish market. Looks like that, trying to create a bullish pattern. Going to the monthly first of all to see a bigger picture. Now GBP JPY, we have seen that there is a monthly support here. Okay, the price broke this level of support, and now we see a bullish move is happening. Now if you look at the bigger picture on the monthly time frame, GBP JPY over the long term, it's a strongly bullish market. Okay, it's a very, very strongly bullish market, and we can expect only bullish, price action on this one, like bullish buying. Okay, now going to the weekly, what we see that on the weekly time frame, GBP JPY came back to this level. This is a very, very important level of let me draw this one here. Tested this this is the weekly time frame, weekly resistance, okay, as a support, and we see that GBP JPY had a bounce now. Okay, going to the daily. Okay, daily, after this daily doji, today the price came here, and now we see that the bulls creating a bullish pattern. But I think that we might see a bullish move on GBP JPY. Long term bullish means always we need to think for bullish price action. Going to the 4 hour, we saw that there has been a double bottom in this important level of support, and price is creating now a bullish price action. But until it breaks this market structure, I'll not be so much a buyer, but looks like that. See, there is a bullish engulfer and then another bullish engulfer, and the price is trying to create like that a bullish pattern. So GBP JPY, if you are trading, I will only tell that trade on the long side so far, because the price looks like that it might create a bullish price action. Okay, so GBP JPY long term bullish, short term creating a bullish. So that's what you need to always match, long term, short term. Okay, always keep in mind that long term and short term will give you what you need to do in the market. So that's what always keep the higher time frame with the lower time frame. If they're both in the same direction, then you can align a trade. So GBP JPY looks like that bullish. Now let's see again what's happening with the gold. As I told you that gold looks like that after the daily move. Now on the 15 minutes, gold has created kind of bearish engulfer, okay, from this resistance. So could be a move to the down now on gold. After a little bit of retracement, we might see that a move down. Let's see what happened. Okay, on the 15 minutes, we'll keep watching the price action. If we see a quick trade on gold, we'll not miss it. Let's see what happened. Okay, this is the hourly candle just been closed, so we should see, now we see a rise to the upside on gold. Let me see that in the MetaTrader 4 how it looks like, because sometime MetaTrader 4 shows a different kind of price action than on the trading view. So that's why I always keep checking all of them to see how they are doing. So looks like that gold creating, let's see what happened. This is the hourly chart, and there has been a long wick candle is created. So we might see that there could be a little bit of bearish move now. Let's first of all this candle to be closed, and then we'll look at, I think that we might see, this is the 15 minute, if this one cannot create a new higher high, we might see that this 15 minutes candle is coming down probably to this level to test this, and then we'll see what happened. So it looks like that we might see a little bit of now bearish move on gold, because gold already, if you look at the daily time frame, the price already reached this resistance here. This is the daily resistance, and from here we should see a little bit of movement to the downside. So we'll come back to this later today, but in the meantime, let me see hourly again on gold. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, okay, so this is a bearish candle. Normally a reversal pattern happens like that. I think that gold will come down now at certain level, okay, because the price already broke this almost 2 days high, created a bearish candle here, and from here we could probably see a drop. Okay, first let's this candle close, and then we'll come back to this time, this zone here. So in the meantime, let me see, we discussed Gbpusd and Gbpjpy. In the meantime, also there will be a news release, as I told you, after half an hour later, maybe 25 minutes. So we'll see how we can trade. Let's look at USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD, let me see on the daily. Okay, so USD CAD, it's on the top. I think that we might see a drop on USD CAD. Let's see. The price looks like that. This is the 4-hour time frame. We could see a drop on USD CAD, at least to this 20 period moving average today. That can give us a good trading opportunity. Let me see daily. Okay, so this is the daily time frame, weekly. Okay, so the price came to this weekly resistance. This is a long-term resistance here. Back to back 2 weeks rise, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, monthly as well. If we look at the monthly, we see that the price reached almost exactly 50% of this long week on the monthly time frame. So that means that we could see this is kind of reversal pattern, you see, but we probably see a head and shoulder before making any move. So if I see that USD CAD has created a reversal pattern like a head and shoulder on the 4-hour, then I will be considering selling USD CAD, but for now I'll just see what happened. Okay, looks like that USD CAD, because it's in this resistance. You see in the past also there is a support here, neckline. This support now acting as a resistance here and created kind of reversal pattern. So I think that we could see kind of reversal on USD CAD if we look at the daily. But as you know that this is a very, very strongly bullish market. Suddenly selling is not a good idea. We need to see a clear reversal pattern and then breakdown, and then we can consider going short with USD CAD. Okay, USD is strong, as you know that. Let the news release, and then we'll see what happened with USD CAD. Be patient, stick till the end of this session. We'll see whatever trading coming. I will be with you. We'll see together. In the meantime, guys and girls, as I told you, if you haven't if you haven't smashed the like button yet, did it and do it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'll suggest you to subscribe. As you see that this channel is helping thousands of people every day, and when you like and subscribe, that really helps me to create more of that, and that's really helped me to stay motivated as well. So thanks for that, for helping the channel. So let's see Gbpjpy. This is the 15 minutes. I'm looking at the lower time frame to see if immediately if there is any trading opportunity. This is the hourly. Looks like that Gbpjpy is trying to be looks like that it is trying to be bullish. So we are moving in between. Let me see Gbp. Okay, Gbp, this is 15 minutes. Let me see 4 hour. Okay, so let Gbp come to this zone. Okay, and then we could see a selling opportunity. Let's see what happened. But on the 15 minutes, it's look like that the price is breaking down, because there is a, on the 15 minutes there is a bearish engulfer is being created. Okay, so because news is coming, USD looks like getting a bit stronger. Okay, all right, now let's take a short quick trade on GBP. Looks like that GBP will drop a little bit. The price action here on the 15 minutes, it's bearish now, for now. Okay, let me see. Gold is doing the same thing. As I told you, it's now coming down again with the GBP. Okay, so it's a bearish now. Let me see on the 4 hour. So the doji is here. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, the price just bounced from this previous support here. This is the 4 hour time frame as a resistance. That's what you need to do when you trade on 15 minutes. Look for the possible support and resistance on the 4 hour or daily, and then see what happened. Okay, on the 15 minutes, look like that British pound US dollar has created kind of reverse, a bearish pattern on the gold as well. Gold is creating kind of okay. Look like that buyers a bit active on gold now. GBPUSD, this is hourly chart. Okay, so we'll come back just after the news series. I'm just having a feeling of what might happen. Okay, we'll look at it after the news release. So in the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are thinking. Malignant cap lol. Okay, news DXY. Yeah, we'll look at it. Alzaf, me too, you made me what my account stand. Thank you, Alzaf. That is awesome. That is awesome to hear that you guys and girls are finding value. Now GBP USD, we see a little bit of a down move, and let's see what happened. Okay, so Iqbal Khawza, hi sir. Iqbal Khawza, thank you. Shahnawaz, Nasdaq 100 NZD cat, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. Rizban, Resmi, thank you sir. Rizban, no problem. Anthony Davis, just waiting for FOMC numbers tonight, possibly bully USD. We'll look at it. we all are waiting. Thank you for mentioning it. Arcade Kuthari, yeah, Rabi, bro, it's possible. Yeah, thank you. Oh, okay, so let's see. Wisdomuru ask for Euro JPY, please. Mahabubul Islam Euro JPY. So let's see. Euro JPY. Now GBP JPY, we saw that kind of bullish pattern is being created. Now we see little bit of down move, but it's still not fully bullish. As I told you, it's a long-term bearish, so we always will think of selling. Okay, so gold and GBP USD looks like that little bit of bearish now on the lower time frame, but big time frame is still not yet clear what might happen. So let's see. In the meantime, GBP JPY. So look at now. Okay, euro dollar, just immediately after the candle close, we saw that the price came down exactly here. Okay, now it is not impossible that euro dollar will just break down again. Okay, it's not impossible, because over the long term it's a bearish market, guys and girls. So let's see what the price is doing after the news release. You see the USD CAD is now just pumping up, but still we don't know what might happen, because when the news released, dollar yen is now creating kind of bullish pattern. Okay, as I told you, after the news release, then we will know that actually what might happen. So when this is the case, if the dollar gets stronger, gold will come down again. That could give us another selling opportunity, as I told you. So we'll look at either gold or GBP USD or euro dollar. It's not a good idea to double up all the pairs together. Instead, looking at one pair at a time, it's a good idea. So okay, GBP JPY. Let's see what it is doing. Looks like that gold buyers are not finding enough fuel to go up. You see, the price is now creating a long wick candle on the 4 hour. Okay, this candle is still 1.5 an hour remaining, but looks like that buyers are still not getting enough fuel to go up, because it has already broke the daily high. Okay, previous day's high, and now looks like that the buyers are still not getting enough fuel on it. So we could see, let's see what happened. We could see a little bit of drop. Okay, it's kind of this 15 minutes pattern. It's kind of reversal pattern here. There is a move created this green and then kind of reversal pattern. Let's see what happened. After this 15 minutes candle close, we'll see the news is releasing, and then we'll see actually what might happen in all this instrument. So look at mostly the USD pairs, because USD is giving us news. So okay, now you see this is the 15 minutes time frame. If this one couldn't break this high, okay, on the 15 minutes, then we could see that, let's say if this one closes as a narrow candle, which is less likely because of the news, we might see an uprise. But if in case it couldn't break high, we might see that gold is dropping. Okay. So our eye will be on gold and USD pairs. Okay, this is Aussie dollar. Okay, so see the gold looks like that the buyers not getting enough fuel. You see the price is not being able to break this resistance, but during the news release we might see a spike. And there is a daily 20 period moving average here. Even it is not unusual to see that the price is testing this 20 period moving average and then coming down, or we could see that gold just dropping from here to the downside. Okay, so if gold after this 15 minutes candle, if gold failed to break this high, then we might sell gold from here. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, see how this candle is closing. If this one closes like that at the long wick candle as a doji or something like that, but first see what happened. Okay, and then we'll sell gold if we see that. Okay, looks like that gold is moving on the other direction on the sell, as I told you. Okay, so it's a long time bearish. Okay, so it's coming down now. See the MetaTrader for how the price action is being formed. Okay, so after the news release we might find a trade. Okay, so in this news release, okay, let me tell you what now I'm planning. During this news release, in case if GBP JPY rise up to this 20 period moving average, as soon as it will touch, I'll be selling immediately. As soon as it will touch the 20 period moving average on this 4-hour, stop loss will be above this high, take profit will be at least 1 to 2. Okay, this one is GBP USD. Again, if during this news time, if GBP USD reach this 20 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame, touch it, then immediately I will be selling in that moment, skipping stop loss high, take profit 1 to 2. So this one is with GBP USD. Let's see what happened. And gold, still we don't know, but GBP USD looks like if it goes up, then we'll do that. Okay, let's see. And euro dollar looks like that it has already came to this level of support. And what I think that euro dollar might do, euro dollar might has created a false breakout here to the upside, and it might continue to drop again. Let's see. Okay, we'll see after the news release. Now euro JPY looks like that it will continue to drop. Okay, looks like, because you see the price has created this fake move to the upside with this 20 period moving average. Now after this close, if this one closes as a bearish engulfer, there will be this is a continuation of trend again. Okay, and there has been a double top. Okay, we could see that a bigger move coming on euro and JPY. In that case, JPY might be getting stronger, because in that case what it might do, euro JPY, this green could be a fake move, and we could see that euro JPY coming to a bigger level of support here. Okay, even it coming back to this baseline. Let's see what happened. Okay, euro JPY, I think that it will give us another selling opportunity after the news release. If this one closes like that, then let's say from this zone, okay, we could be able to sell euro JPY, keeping stop loss above this high. Okay, first let the news release, it might impact all the peers, and then we'll look at what might happen. Let's see. So keep them all on list. Just after 4 minutes the news will be released, and then we'll look at what we can do. Okay guys, so this is the 15 minutes time frame gold creating a doji, GBP JPY, let's go to the 15 minutes to see what's happening. Looks like USD again getting stronger. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think that euro JPY will continue to drop. Okay, I think it will continue to drop. If this is the case, then we might see a very big move on euro JPY. We might see that the price coming here, okay, to this bigger trend line. There is a long-term trend line, you see. We might see that euro JPY coming here. Okay, that could really be big move. Let's see, I think that I might go short with euro JPY. If this one closes as a bearish engulfer, then we could go short with our VIP members and as well as with you guys. So stay till the end, smash the like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't done yet. I think that Eurusdjpy we might find a selling opportunity. Okay, let's see. Looks like that euro getting weaker. In that case, euro dollar, you see euro dollar now creating a bearish engulf. It has already crossed completely. That means that this is a fake move to the upside on euro dollar, cross the 20 period moving average and then closing back below. So that could mean that euro dollar might get another spike to the downside. Okay, let's see. That could mean that if you look at the monthly, euro dollar might come back exactly to this monthly support and will have a bounce. Okay, let me draw this monthly support zone. All right, let's see on the weekly. This is the case. Now news will be released a couple of minutes later. Let's see what happened. I will be interested on Eurusdjpy because it has a momentum. Okay, euro dollar already lost a lot of momentum, but it's still bearish. Okay, even if it is trading, if let's say if it closes like this is bearish engulfer, trading from here, stop loss here, target level here could give us a good trading opportunity. So what we see that euro had a leg pain suddenly. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so what's happening with the news, guys? Okay, dollar yen. Let me look at the 4 hour because I see more picture on the 4 hour than any other time frame. I can predict the market better in the 4 hour than other time frame. Let me see. Okay, gold had a spike to the upside. That's good. So that means that if we look at the daily 20 period, let me draw this daily 20 period level. In case if the gold comes in this time frame to this zone, let's say 1845, I'll not delay to sell. Okay, let's see. Keep all the levels on so that if in case the price rise to this level, that could give us really an awesome selling. Okay, that's what I normally wait for, a bigger move to the important level and then taking a trade. So what happened? Okay, we see that all right, so it's 15 minutes time frame. We are looking at euro dollar, GBP USD, let's see what happened. Let me look at all of them quickly. Aussie dollar. Let me shortlist what the pairs are doing. Looks like that Gbpusd even could be strongly bearish. Looks like to me that Gbpusd might break down. Let me shortlist all of them. Okay, Euro AUD, there's nothing here. Euro CAD, looks like that Euro CAD could be bullish. Okay, Euro CHF, no way. The way I told that if the price closes here, we will go bullish. It's broke down. It's broken down. So okay, now looks to me that Usdjpy will be the best possible pairs so far. Let's see what happened. I think that Usdjpy, because it has created a fake move to the upside, okay, it means that it has prepared for a bigger move. Okay, it could be a very big move. Let me keep the Usdjpy on list. We might trade. Looks like that euro getting very weaker, even against dollar, GBP AUD, British pound US dollar, GBP CAD, GBP CHF. Let me see GBP CHF. What's happened? Okay, let's leave GBP CHF. It might go up to test this 20 period moving average on the daily. GBP JPY. We have closed NZD CAD, so we can close this one. Okay. Okay, USD Mexican. Still need to see the daily candle close, then we can consider selling, but for now we can leave it. USD ZAR. There's no trade. US oil. let's see what happened. So let's now shortlist the pairs that we could see that could give us a good trade. One is Eurujpy. Let's delete this, all of them that we don't have anything to look at. Dollar. So there is a doji has been, looks like that will be a doji on Aussie dollar, but because the price on the level of support will not be selling immediately. Okay, so the pairs now we have is JPY pairs. Okay, could be CAD JPY or Euro JPY. CAD JPY also, see this 4-hour candle on CAD JPY is closing as a doji. Okay, now the price action it has created is a bearish price action. Okay, double top, you see there is a double top and there is a double top and there is a 20 period moving average retest to this double top, and this double top has created a lower high. Okay, and now the price is creating a doji. That means that if it breaks down, it will do something like that. Okay, but I will be more interested on Euro JPY rather than CAD JPY. The reason is CAD sometimes gets stronger because of the oil price fluctuation, but if it closes as a doji like that, that is really a good trade on CAD JPY, because this kind of doji we still don't know if it close like that. But this kind of doji normally give a strong move down. Okay, so we might see a move down. Okay, so we will take this trade, any of them, after the candle close. Let's the candle close first, and then I will give you a pending order and I'll send the same trade signal to our VIP members. If you want to join my VIP channel so that you can receive more personalized trade signal as well as learn my strategies, I will suggest you to go to the link in the description area, go to the website to see how you can join. Now let me see the Euro JPY, what might happen. Let's see, I will personally be interested on Euro JPY because looks like that it is preparing for a bigger drop. If you look at the weekly, let me see now a bigger picture. That's what I do. I normally see what trade. Now it could completely dodge us. It could start to go up, but what I think that what it might do, it might come back down a lot. If you look at the monthly, the price already went above. Now there is a possibility to go up as well. It's a long-term bullish market, but what I think that because you see the price when it started to move from here, it could come back to the monthly support zone here, and then we could see a pickup. So weekly we could have a little more drop. Okay, now let me see 4 hour again. Okay, so it's look like that the price is creating a bearish candle. Okay, let's see. This is because there is a fake move and there is a nice trending. You see there is a double top or reversal pattern. The price broke down, tested again, breakdown, retest, breakdown, retest, created a fake move. We can say that it could drop. Now we could keep a bit lower risk to reward, but it still could be a winning trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. Aussie dollar, CAD JPY. Okay, Euro JPY a little bit went above, that's good. So the way we can sell Euro JPY is from here. Okay, you see there is a long green doji here just below this doji. That means that 140.58. But if we enter the by the market, because yeah, we could see an uprise after the, let's wait for the candle close, almost nearly candle close, then I will tell you how I will be trading, and then I will end the stream. So in the meantime, guys and girls, don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Okay, let me see short from here. Okay, okay, wait for a little more confirmation. Okay, in Gbpusd, let's see if we target this daily 20 period moving average, then what is our next to reward will be. Short. It will be almost 1 to 2 trade if you consider that the daily 20 period moving average. Okay, Eurujpy is better trade than anything else. So in the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Gbpusd please, Eurusd please, Eurusd. Okay, so let me look at the other pairs quickly, and then I'll come back to Eurujpy to see what happened. Gbpusd, I can't find any trade on Gbpusd. Doesn't look like that we can trade on Gbpusd. Jpy also not showing anything, because Gbpusd creating a doji. It could be bearish, could be bullish. Euro dollar looks like that, looks like bearish. Euro dollar looks like weaker, so but rather than euro dollar, I will be on Eurujpy. Okay, so Eurujpy looks like that it's coming down now. Okay, to wait for the candle close. So always good idea to wait for the candle close, and then we'll enter by pending order. Okay, yeah, gold. Okay, keep in mind that everything showing in this stream is only for educational purpose, nothing to be taken as an investment advice or trading advice. We'll be going short with Eurujpy with our VIP members, as well as including myself. We'll go short with Eurujpy. Now 11 minutes remaining for this candle to be closed. So what I will be doing is I will be placing a pending order at 140. Let me keep it a bit lower so that it triggers. 140.49 sell limit, keeping stop loss above this daily high, and take profit will be 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, exactly 1 to 2. All right, and tomorrow I will update this during this live session about this trade, what we have done. Now if you want to get personalized update, you can join the link in the description area to our VIP team. This is the trade that I will be sending as well to our VIP members. In addition to the trade that I sent during the London session, New York session privately, this one I'm sending together. Eurujpy sell limit. Now if you guys and girls want to learn my strategies, you can join my team. 140.491 SL 141 TP at 138. So we are having around, let's say, 103 pip stop loss. Okay, it's a swing trading. 103 pip stop loss. If you, any one of you taking a big risk, would be dangerous for your account. I only use 1% risk in my trading. Okay, so I will be entering the same trade as well with everyone. So Eurujpy, the 4-hour pending order. Yeah, so yes, so that's the end of this session. I sincerely believe that you guys and girls enjoyed this live session, and if you find value in it, please give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have learning from this channel. As you have seen that this channel is dedicated to help the trader, and it's unique. You'll not find anywhere, because I don't copy anyone. I even don't look at how other people are doing. I do what I think that good for my people, good for my subscribers, because I learn in a hard way, and I am willing to give everyone what I have learned. So if you want to learn my strategies, link in the description area. You can go to the website, visit the website to see how you can learn my strategy. Thank you for joining this live session. I'll see you tomorrow in the same time, so don't miss out. Tomorrow also there will be a news release, and we might find incredible trading opportunity. Thank you. I'll see you.